So just as I came out of the bathroom, I realised that I never actually filmed an intro for this video, so I thought I'd quickly film one now. So I thought I would film a video for you guys to spend the evening with me. So I did a little bit of cleaning, and then I did some skincare and my hair care and stuff, and I thought I'd just pop that all in a video for you guys to see. Yeah, let me know how you guys like these kind of videos. Hopefully when we're out of quarantine I can film quite a few vlogs. I'm interested in doing some of that. But yeah, enjoy the rest of the video, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching. So let's just ignore the fact that I don't have a bed at the moment. I just moved up to the loft just before quarantine took place, and I didn't have a chance to order a bed. I didn't want to order one in case it didn't come, but I am in the process of looking for one. So here I was just organising my drawers, yeah, just putting all my stuff away. There's my little favourite tatty lashes that I need to try. Yeah, just sort of making sure everything was really nice and organised in that drawer. I also organised all my makeup because that had been messy from where I filmed a couple of weeks before. So here I just thought I'd show you, I just cleaned all my makeup brushes so that I could film a makeup tutorial tomorrow. Basically I use the Dettol antibacterial bar soap, the yellow one. I feel like it cleans my brushes really well. It washes out really quickly as well. Like I find that a lot of, if I try to use that baby shampoo, which a lot of people do recommend, it just stays in the brushes for so long, whereas I find this just, you know, it cleans out really well, and it's antibacterial, which is a plus. So as it is a Friday night, I'm going to do my little hair care routine. So when I run out of the Palmer's oil, which I did last week, and I cannot get hold of any anywhere, what I do is I like to put the coconut oil in my roots, and then I put a conditioner, like any conditioner, in my lengths, and then I sort of just leave that in overnight instead of the oil. So today I'm using the Ultimate Blends, the Enriching Nourisher Argan Richness conditioner. This says it's good for very dry, unruly hair. My hair is extremely dry, so yeah, I'll be doing that, and then I will show you some new little skincare bits that I got today when I went out. I popped to Boots and to Superdrug to pick up some things, so I'll show you those after I've put my oil and my conditioner in my hair. So guys, my hair is all oiled and conditioned and up into buns, and I'm going to just show you some of the stuff that I bought today from Boots and Superdrug. So I bought a few new little skincare bits that I will use, and I will potentially actually review. So I bought the Naturally Radiant Brightening Hot Cloth Cleanser, and this, I think, I can tell you how much it was. It was £3.48. It was on offer, I believe. Looks like that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this in the evening, just because it's a little bit more nourishing than the simple face wash that I'm using at the moment. And then I bought from the same range, the Naturally Radiant Glycolic Acid Daily Cleansing Pads. I'm assuming that they're a dupe for the Nip and Fab ones. I've never actually tried the Nip and Fab ones. I just picked these up because they were on offer. These were £3.48, and they look like this. And then from the same range, I bought the Brightening Eye Cream because my Ole Henriksen eye cream has run out and they don't stock it at the Boots near me, so I thought I'd just pick this one up for the time being. This was £3.48. Looks like that. And then I bought some sheet masks, which I actually am probably going to do one of these tonight. So I bought two simple ones. I bought the hydrating sheet mask that looks like this. And then I bought the radiance boosting sheet masks, which looks like this. And they were both on offer for... this one was £1.95 and this one was £1.45. Or they were the other way around. I'm not too sure. And then I bought a... sorry, one was £1.45, one was £1.69, and then I bought a Garnier moisture boost one because I do really like these ones, and that was £1.45. I actually tend to only buy these when they're on offer, and I just buy a few and I just keep them. These ones, I've actually tried the simple one, this blue one before, and it's really good. It says they're made in Korea, which, you know, Korean skincare is great. And then I just bought a few moisturisers. I bought a Vaseline body cream and a Vaseline hand cream. And then I just stocked up on like cotton pads and deodorant and things like that as well. So yeah, I'm going to jump in the shower and then I will do a little bit of skincare on camera. And yeah, I'll see you then. Okay, so the lighting is really bad in here. We're going to do a little bit of skincare. So the first thing I'm going to use is the Naturally Radiant Hot Gloss Cleanser that I got today. So let me just explain, I can legitimately not see anything because I don't have my lenses in and don't have my glasses on because I'm going to do my skincare. Okay, so gently massage into a wet face and neck in circular motion and polish off the cleanser with the muslin cloth. Okay. I'm just going to dampen, or then maybe let's just take it out of the box first. Cute. In the bin. Okay. Okay, let's just dampen my face. Like that, and then let's do this. Not that much. It smells very planty, like something you get from Kiehl's. I'm gonna do my cleanser and my toner, and then I'm gonna do my face mask, and I'll leave that on for a bit, then come back and do the rest of my skincare. I don't actually know how long you're supposed to massage this in for. I'm now throwing the thing in the bin. Okay. I'm gonna assume that's enough. Put the hot water on. So I'm going to use the hot muslin cloth to wipe this off. So I'm basically just going to use this at night, and I'll let you guys know what I think in a couple of weeks maybe. I was thinking of filming a skincare video in a couple of weeks, an updated one, because the one that is already on my channel was from about a year ago. My skincare has changed quite a lot since then. Does make my skin feel really fresh. Makes it look quite nice as well. So I've left my skin quite damp from the cleanser. I'm actually now, so normally I use the Revolution Glycolic Acid toner, but I'm gonna try the Glycolic Acid Daily Cleansing Pads. Oh my god, my pet peeve is when you wash your face and your arms get wet. Like that is, oh, I hate it so much. Oh. Okay, so I'm just gonna pop these open and use one all over my face. Do it like this. So my initial thought on this is, it feels like it dried out really quickly. But I don't know. Maybe that's just how much you're supposed to use, and I'm just excessive. And I like to sort of focus it around my mouth because I get quite a lot of discoloration around my mouth, and I get quite a bit of texture like on my chin. I also get texture just on my cheekbones. Okay. Now I'm going to pop on my face mask. I'm using the Garnier Moisture Balm face mask, and I'm going to leave that on for 15 minutes and then come back and do the rest of my skincare. I just don't think I have a big enough forehead for these masks because there's always loads hanging over. Okay, and now I will be back in 15 minutes. So you legit can't see me because my room is really dark. I've just got my little fairy lights on. But while I'm waiting for my mask, I am going to watch a little bit of Desperate Housewives. And I started watching it this morning, and I think I'm on episode like 9 or 10 or something. And I am 100% addicted to it. I look really scary, like really scary, but it is what it is. But yeah, I'm gonna watch a little bit of Desperate Housewives, and then in 15 minutes I'm gonna show you the rest of my skincare. Okay, so it's been about 25 minutes. Oh, just take that off, and I just like to massage the rest of the serum into my face. Just like that, and then I sort of start going in with like my serums and my oils and stuff. So I've started using Mandelic Acid from The Ordinary. I've only been using it a few days, and I just use it at night time. So I'm gonna pop that on all over the skin. And then I like to really work it into the skin. I like this because even though it's an acid, it actually doesn't feel like drying at all. It feels really hydrating. It feels kind of like an oil almost. And then I go in with my buffet serum, also from The Ordinary. I find that I quite like their serums because they're really affordable, and I feel like they really work. A few months back, say about a year and a half ago, I had really bad texture just like up on my cheekbones, and I started using this buffet serum and it literally all went away. So that was really good, and that's what sort of got me into using The Ordinary. I really want to try the AHA peel, the red one, but it's literally sold out everywhere. Okay, then I'm just going to, I literally finished my Ole Henriksen moisturiser the other night, so I'm just using my day moisturiser at the moment, and I'm using the L'Oreal Revitalift moisturiser. And the reason that I'm using this is because it's got an SPF in it. Obviously I don't need an SPF at night, but as I said, I finished my night cream. I like to do my skincare a good like hour or so before I go to bed, because I use so much stuff. I like to give it time to sink in before I lie down on a pillow, just because obviously I don't want it to like all soak into the pillow instead of my face. Now I'm going to use the Naturally Radiant Brightening Eye Cream, and I'm just going to pop a little bit of that under my eyes. It's very thin, but I suppose that means it sinks in really quickly, which is good. And always use your ring finger because it applies the least pressure under your eyes, and that skin is really delicate. And then I just pop on my lip balm. At the moment I'm using the Lano Lips 101 ointment in the strawberry scent. And I apply this quite heavy at night, and it sort of works as like a lip mask. Yeah, that is the skincare that I do before I go to bed. Yeah, I think I'm going to close out the video here. I'm going to go and continue watching Desperate Housewives for a little while. And yeah, let me know if you want to see a full skincare routine, and I'll put my the list of all the products and stuff in that. And thank you so much for watching. Tomorrow I'm gonna wash all of the oil and conditioner out of my hair. And yeah, thank you again so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I will see you again next week.